We are at the East Beltie restoration site, which is a tributary of the River Dee, where we are studying the benefits of the restoration works that we've done. And to do that, we are monitoring how the invertebrate life in the riverbed changes over time. So we've got this site, which used to be a completely straight channel, and now it's been meandered and had new wetlands created. So that brings in a whole range of new habitats with hopefully whole new types of species that will colonise those areas. And then, so that we can see how things are changing, we've got two control sites where we're doing exactly the same measurements, so that over time we can see how things change at this site in comparison to the ones that presumably will stay pretty much the same at the other two sites. It involves doing replicated samples of, taking samples of the insects from the riverbed themselves, and at the same time we take matched habitat samples. So we take a core out of the stream bed in the exact area where we're taking our invertebrate samples, and also we take measurements of the width of the channel and how fast the flow is, and we also characterise exactly what the riverbed is made up of in terms of the cover of silts and sand and stones and so on.
So insects are interesting because they have a wide range of tolerance to different environmental conditions. They also don't move around very much in the same way that fish move around, so they actually tell us quite a lot about what is happening locally to the area that we're sampling. They respond to different conditions in the river, so different flow types, different chemicals in the water, different substrates, so they can tell us quite a lot about the habitat and the quality of the habitat in the area that we're sampling, and more locally than other animals can.